Hey there, dear listeners of Takeaway Chinese. What you're checking out right now is a special edition just for you. More Than Mandarin. This is where we break down the finer details of frequently used words so you know the ins and outs of them. Let's take a listen.
The word we're learning today is 摩托车. 摩托车, motorbike. Here are two examples. 他每天骑着摩托车上班. He rides his motorbike to work every day. 他每天骑着摩托车上班. 他每天骑着摩托车上班. 他买了一辆新的摩托车. He bought a new motorbike. 他买了一辆新的摩托车. 他买了一辆新的摩托车. 摩托车 motorbike. 你学会了吗？
If you enjoy this extra segment and want to watch the video version, just search for More Than Mandarin on Facebook or YouTube. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know if you appreciate our new edition. See you next time.